Welcome to AgriEyes, your go-to destination for innovative lighting solutions. Today, we are excited to introduce the AG-T28 wireless trailer light kit, the best wireless lights on the market. Featuring a detachable fit cover and better coated magnet for easy and secure attachment, an adaptive transmitter, and better charge time for longer duration. Multifunctional and easy to customize. Use it as rear tail lights, indicators, brake lights, reflector, or to illuminate your number plate. The detachable fit cover allows for easy customization, with the option to purchase different fit covers for different vehicles. With improved light output and extended battery life, these lights offer a versatile and innovative solution to enhance vehicle safety and convenience. Long-lasting, extremely durable, and designed with farmers in mind, the AG-T28 wireless trailer lights are built for reliability and practicality. Experience the AG-T28 wireless trailer lights, the ultimate addition to your vehicle accessories. Visit AgriEyes.com or contact your nearest AgriEyes dealer now.
Partner with AgriEyes. Be successful.